It's still not possible.
Still not born.
That is negative. Everything is possible.
1905.
No damn way. Concede New Year's Eve. Don't work out. Kasi ay manangkot. These are negative ka no. It can work out.
Never reach maturity.
This is
Delayed birth.
resentment. Guys,
Childhood.
pain. If you are born with intimidation, live
Never-
in resentment, you will die without fame.
Never reached maturity.
Born of intimidation, live in resentment for the resent ka. You will die without fame.
And also here. And also here. And also here.
Born of intimidation. Lived in resentment. Died without fame.
Matay kanto lang ang dahil kay
Also here.
delayed birth, step
John 3:19.
childhood, never reach maturity. So di tama basta kasla ka ag panpanunot ng abiyang kanayon.
Never reached maturity. And then
And this here.
another one is blame.
It will not last anyway, so it didn't work. Makasya nga panagpanpanunot. So this is the cemetery of negativity.
It's the cemetery of negativity. Born 3 June 1906. It didn't. Will not last.
Reminds you of things na
Mm-mm.
Not here. The only.
Oh,